Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Life Starts at Retirement and I'm Maureen Dabrowski. I produce a retirement lifestyle video every Saturday at noon. Today we're delving into the fascinating concept, called memory dividend. Now, have you ever really wondered why certain memories from your past bring you joy and satisfaction even years later? Maybe you've heard a song on the radio and it's exciting to you and it just brings back a good memory. Even a smell can bring back memories for you. That's the power of memory dividend. So stick around because we're going to explore how our early life experiences continue to enrich our lives long after they're over, but especially, I think, during retirement. So what exactly is a memory dividend? Well, I like to think of it this way because it makes a whole lot of sense and it's easy to understand. Just as a financial dividend provides us with ongoing returns on our investment, our early life experience or all of our life experiences provide ongoing emotional and psychological returns. These memories don't just fade away, they can become a source of enduring happiness, satisfaction, peace, joy, all enriching our retirement years. So, for example, one of my best memories is going to Mexico with my sister to visit my parents. My parents wintered in Mazatlan for years and years and years. And my sister and I, we don't see each other often enough because she lives in Victoria, I'm in Calgary. But her and I booked a trip and away we went to Mexico. And every time I think about some of the stupid and fun things we did on that trip, I can't help but smile. So just for a second, take a minute to think of one of your favorite memories. What comes to mind for you? I'd love to hear it. If you're comfortable enough, post it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what is joyful in your life. Now, these stories illustrate how really any of our experiences can continue to impact us throughout our whole entire life. Whether it was a thrilling adventure, learning a new skill, or spending time with loved ones, these moments contribute to our own personal memory dividends, providing joy and fulfillment in our retirement. But let's look at some of the science behind it. Why do these memories have such a lasting impact? Now, I'm definitely not a rocket science, but neuroscience provides sort of some answers, and so did Google. When we experience something new and exciting, our brains release dopamine. It's a chemical that's associated with pleasure and with rewards. And so when we're doing something fun and we're doing something exciting, that dopamine comes in, and it's essentially the brain rewarding us for engaging in activities that really make us exciting, that promote learning, that are social bonding. And then these experiences create a strong neural pathway, making the memories vivid and long-lasting. The rewarding experiences then are sort of stored in our long-term memory, often resurfacing to provide us with a sense of joy and satisfaction. Now, how does this relate even more so to retirement? Sure, we can sit on our rocking chair when we're 95, but let's even investigate it a bit more. For many of us, myself included, we worked so hard to save money for retirement. Save money, save money, save money. How much do I have? Like, where's that retirement calculator? That was me. That sometimes we would sacrifice things in the present. Maybe we didn't take that trip that we've always wanted to. Maybe we didn't do something. We were so focused on saving. For me in particular, there's one memory that still ticks me off to this day. When we were in Italy, we went to the Vatican City, and I remember standing there looking at the Vatican. You can see the balcony where the Pope comes out, but I didn't spend the money to go on a tour of Vatican City. Now, I'm not even Catholic, but I would have loved to have seen, the Vatican. I would have loved to have seen the Vatican. And it still ticks me off to this day that I was too cheap to go and see it. And we're going to Italy again in April, and I'm darn well going to go see it. It's on my bucket list. This time I'm going to spend the money. But that's just one example of how we can let, I'm going to say cheapness, but not even cheapness, how I was so focused on saving money. Here I was in Italy, and it was only like $100 to go on this tour. It wouldn't have made a difference in my life, but I just couldn't do it. But it would have made a great memory. So how can you build your own memory dividend and hopefully enrich your retirement and experience life and make your retirement more remarkable? Here's just a few tips. Number one, embrace new experiences. I talk about this all the time. Step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Travel to new places if you're able to. Learn a new hobby. Meet new people. Try something new. Join a club. Join an organization. Embrace new experiences. Number two, build relationships. Spend quality time with your family and your friends. Strong social bonds are really a key source maybe to lasting memories. And number three, I struggle with this one, and it's be present. Fully engage in the moment. Put away distractions. Immerse yourself in your experiences. And I'm guilty of this one. I always have my phone handy. And when someone's often talking, I'm thinking of things that I need to do or where I could be or what I could be doing. Be present. Really work on that one because it's such a helpful one for me. So the memory dividend really is just a powerful reminder that the experiences we invest in today can bring us a joy of lifetime. So go out there, create new memories, and enjoy the dividends for years to come. I'm Maureen Dobransky. This is Life Starts at Retirement. Again, I produce a retirement lifestyle video every Saturday at noon. And please consider joining our Facebook group. It is massive now, so there's so many people to connect there. Facebook.com/group/Life Starts at Retirement. And last, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Go make your retirement remarkable.